think? Is this for an infant? Like a newborn probably infant?
Look, I know something. What are you buying now?
Okay, so today I'm 18 weeks and 3 days. I was going to do this video last night, but I didn't get home until really late, and I figured you guys haven't seen my belly in a while, and so I wanted to do a video in the morning where you could see what my belly actually looks like now. I'm still on my GoPro. I still haven't gotten the camera yet. I'm going to, which is kind of annoying because I had the money to get the camera, but I'm definitely not going to use it for the camera. I'm going to save it for the baby's flooring that we're going to be doing and stuff to do the nursery. So that's way more important to me, and I figured this is okay for now until I can get a new camera. But bear with me if the quality, and some of you have said that you get like motion sickness when you watch my videos. It's definitely not you, it's definitely my camera. It's definitely not, it's really, because it's a GoPro, I mean, there's not much to expect from it. It's not really for, it's more for action videos, like, you know, you put it on your helmet or your bike or something like that. It's not really meant to be used like this, but what are you going to do? That's really all I have right now. So in this video I'm going to be doing a review on the Sonoline Fetal Doppler. I will put the link of the website down below, and I actually emailed them and asked them if there was any promotion that they would give, coupon code maybe that they would send to me and I could share for you guys. I let them know that I had a YouTube channel, and I have a lot of people that are pregnant or trying to get pregnant and are interested in a fetal Doppler. They never responded to me with any response, so I can't really tell you, I mean, I guess I can tell you how their customer service is. There is none. They never got back to me, so I think the customer service was pretty poor in that way. But for the product, I do like the product. After I show you the Doppler, I will show you how I use it, and then I'll show you a real quick view of my belly. Okay, so it comes in a package like this. Obviously it's in a box, and then you open it up and it's in a package like this. I hope that you guys can see this. Again, I don't have a screen where I can see, so I'm hoping that you guys can see this pretty well. Now inside it comes like this. I haven't used mine since last week. I try not to use it too much. I try to use it like once a week or once every 2 weeks, just because I don't feel comfortable using it that much, and because I want it to be special when we hear it. I don't want to just be doing it every day and feel like when we go to the doctors and it's just a Doppler that they do and not like an ultrasound. I want it to be special there too. So it comes like this, and you can get this in blue or pink, and there's multiple different kinds. And this particular one is the Sonoline B, and it's the 3MHZ, which I don't really know what it stands for. But this is the one I got. It was $55, and I didn't have to pay for shipping, and which I thought was really nice. But it comes in with a little manual. Don't mind mine, it's kind of dirty, but gives you just the, you know, quick information of how to use it. There's 3 memories that it can store in there for you. But anyways, quick review. This is how you turn it on. Don't mind my nails. You just hold it down for a few seconds, and there you hear it's on, and it has a volume on this side. It's all the way up, and you can silence it. And I also like that you could put headphones in, which is really nice. The battery, it actually comes with batteries. It takes, I think it is takes AA batteries. I mean, I've only used this a few times, but the battery is still full, so it's not like crappy batteries that they give you. And then you just take this one out and put it right over your belly. It's also nice that it has a backlight. So you can turn it on, or you can turn it on, or you can turn it off, which I really like. And to turn it off, you just hold this down for a few seconds, and it goes off. And it also comes with the ultrasound gel, and it is, I think I showed this to you in my other video. It's just a clear consistency. People have also used aloe, which I'm sure works just the same. So I don't think you'd have to rebuy that from that site. You can use that if you want to. It says in the manual that it's suitable for your 12th week of pregnancy and up, which I think is really nice. It's really early. And I didn't have any problems finding the heartbeat. When you do find the heartbeat, it will come up right here and a little heart will start blinking. It's really nice. Again, I've never not found the heartbeat, like at all. Usually I find it within a couple seconds. It asks you to try to find the baby first, like find where the position of your uterus is, and then put the wand on your belly, just so you get an idea of where your baby is located first, and you're not like searching all around for a while and getting nervous. Again, if you don't find the heartbeat, don't panic. It's there, you're okay. It just sometimes they hide and it's hard to find. But I clean every time I'm done using. I just wipe it with a washcloth or a wet paper towel and maybe put a little bit of soap on it and just do the top, but don't saturate it so it's not too wet. And then just wipe over the top of that. And then obviously clean your belly too. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to use it on myself. I actually wish I had Rob to, he's working on his truck right now, but I'm going to try to do this as best as possible. Okay guys, so I'm laying down. I'm going to put jelly on my belly. Alright you guys, while I'm now laying down, I'm going to put the jelly on my stomach, so hopefully you guys can hear it. I hope this quality is good. It tells you to put a decent amount on the probe, but I like to also put it on my belly a little bit, just like that, a little bit. And then, so I put about this much on the probe, and then I put about that much on my stomach. Alright, now you can see there's no heartbeat yet. Obviously it's in my hand, but when you see it, there will be a little heart beat, okay? There it is. I hear the heartbeat. 155, 151. So it's definitely really fast. It sounds so strong, and it just sounds amazing. It is amazing to hear that. So yep, I just literally found it within a few seconds. I usually always know where the baby's positioned, just by feeling the movement that I've been feeling, and the position of my uterus has been really great in the center, maybe a little bit to the left sometimes, but usually right dead in the center. And that's it. That's all I do it for. I usually don't even do it that long. I just like to do it real quick. Okay, him or her is okay, and then I'm done using it. I just don't feel comfortable doing it too long, just for my own personal reasons of not using it too much. But I will be, if Rob's parents come over, I will be showing them how I will be showing them the baby's heartbeat, but they haven't heard it yet. My mom has heard it when she came over, but it's so amazing and I can't wait to show them. And then I probably won't do it again until next week or the week after. Okay. Alright guys, well I hope you guys like that review. I'm quickly going to show you my belly. I mean, you've seen it. You saw it laying down. You saw my belly laying down, but I'll show you it standing up. I definitely have a bump now. I am 18 weeks and 3 days, like I said. Alright, so let me show you. Don't mind my unmatchy socks, so let me bend down my socks like never match. Alright, so here's my stomach with my shirt on from the front. Here's it from the side. Let's come closer. Here's it from the side. From the other side. And this is my stomach without anything in it. And then this is with my shirt. And this is actually, these are maternity leggings, which are so nice. I love the full panel. And then you can just put it down if you want to. That's that from the front. And then from the side. And then from the other side. Alright, and I'm going to show you standing up. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, there's my belly. It's definitely growing. And I've definitely been feeling the baby move a lot more. And I've been having more pressure. Like it feels like it's getting heavier. But it's just amazing. And it's amazing to have the Doppler to be able to, you know, check on the baby whenever you want and have that accessible. But I definitely recommend the fetal Doppler. Again, I can't really say anything good about the customer service because they never got back to me. So if you have a product that doesn't work and you want to contact them, their email, like through their email, I don't know how that'll work out because they never ever got back to me. So I can't really vouch for them on that. So, but as for their product that I got, I really like it and I really recommend it. Again, I got the Sonoline B, and I will put a link to that in the description bar below. Alright guys, well thumbs up this video if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright guys, and thank you so much to the people that have been supporting me. And shout out to Maddie, congratulations on your pregnancy. I've been praying for you so much and you definitely deserve this along with all the other girls that are trying. I'm keeping you all in my prayers and I pray that you guys get your positives. Alright guys, well have a great day. Bye!